Welcome to our next video. It's about updating the cash book and performing bank reconciliation statement, basically step by step guideline. Yeah, so 1 2 3 steps or 4 steps they said. Compare the debit side of the cash book to the paid in amount shown in the bank statement. Then you need to tick it to agree that both of the items are recorded in the cash book and the bank statement. Then same you do with the credit side. Then any unticked items into the bank statement, they have not been entered into the cash book. They were omitted for some reason. Like we don't know those, like standing order, direct debit, BSC. So you need to put it in, enter this into the cash book, in the debit side or credit side accordingly. And finally, some unticked items in the cash book, they happened because of timing differences, and those are outstanding lodgement and unpresented check in the bank reconciliation statement, BRS. Again, we got to do two things. One is, number one, update your cash book, and number two, do the bank reconciliation statement. I'm going to show you step-by-step guideline through this illustration. On the left hand side you need to focus, then the right hand side, this is basically your bank statement from First National Bank, and on the left hand side you can see that this cash book, this is our debit side, means money in, and down there this is our credit side, means money out according to our cashier. So have a look. I'm going to show you the tick process. On the right hand side here, paid out. So this is credit according to a cash book, but bank people calls it debit. Yeah, they didn't write it, but that's that. And paid in. So keeping it simple, paid in means debit into a cash book. Can it go through the tick process? Even the balance here, 387.9, it is there, same, well done. It could have been different, yeah, because of timing difference, whatever. So we don't bother about the balance. You don't take any pain in your brain regarding the balance. Yeah, starting from the next one, can you see 1368.48? it's recorded in your cash book. It is there into the bank statement. That means we received the money into the bank, written in the both side. It's ticked off. I tick here, I tick there. How about S dancer 368.36? Is here in the bank statement. It's there as well. I tick off. Then going bottom on the right hand side, do we have transfer of 208.34 over here anywhere? No, so it's unticked, yeah, on the cash bank statement. So let it be like that. So 2004.37 we have in the both bank statement, cash book. Then painter, FW painter, 856.09 we do have. How about 648.257.5? Hammond and Means, these are not into the bank statement. How about this one on the bank statement, 4.84, not into the cash book. So look at the step number 1, which we already ticked, like this 1300, both this on the bank statement and cash book, 368 both side, 2004 both side, 856 the both side. These are not ticked. The bank statement items, yeah, if these are into the bank statement but these are not ticked, means in the cash book, not into the bank statement. We need to take these into the bank statement. Outstanding lodgement, we call it. What do you call it? Outstanding lodgement. These are into your cash book on the debit side, not into the bank statement. Can you see in the bank statement on the debit side paid in? No, you need to take it. Call it outstanding lodgement. Okay, how about the unticked items like 208 in the bank statement, not in the cash book? You need to update your cash book, isn't it? Yeah, paid in, money received, couple of received. You need to update the cash book. Do you agree that this cash book balance is not updated? Yes, you need to put these two items into the cash book. It will be updated. Can we go to the credit side? Look at the left hand side, credit. Now let's match our credit items. The very first one, the check numbers are important, ending 67, ending 67. Look at this, bank people says 1107.46. We said a 1000 something. Isn't it different? Yeah, how much is the different? Well, remember, bank is always right. If bank says 1107.46, they're right, but we said 1007 point, it's £100, isn't it? Yeah, it is £100, right? So 100 we said less, so we need to minus it from our cash book, don't we? We need to credit our cash book more by this 100. This is one correction. Can we see more? 524 on the credit side of your cash book. 524. Can I see this? Yeah, there you go. 524 here, 524 there. Tick. 1035. 1035 is not there, so I will untick. Then 663, it is here in the bank statement, there in the cash book, ticked. 480 here and there, ticked off. And then 1035 is the check number. Yeah, 1035.76 is here and there. Now look at this, those items are unticked. 1, 2, 3 already unticked. These are your unpresented check you need to take into the bank reconciliation statement. I will show you add and less, the part 2 of your process, BRS process. And the part 1 is updating the cash book, the unticked item to the bank statement. What are the unticked item? Only one, to be honest, this 400 and one correction, isn't it? So these are the two thingy that you need to put on your this is a transfer you paid out, standing order. SO means standing order. It was into the bank statement, not in the cash book. You need to take in the cash book. Let me show you here, like I'm keeping the bank statement on the right hand side and credit side of your tick process. Look at this, we ticked off this, showing you 525. Yeah, there we go. 525 and 525, and 1035 was here and there, and 663 here and there, and 480 is here and there, means bank statement and cash book, right? These are the three unticked items. Unpresented check, writing it over and again. Now this is how it looks like after ticking and unticking. We got to take the items into the cash book debit side. Those two items was into the bank statement. Yeah, those two items. What are the two items? 208, and there you go, the 208.34 taken to the bank cash book debit side, and 4.84 bank interest receipt recorded in the bank statement or in the cash book. I put these two items into my cash book debit side. My cash book debit side balance updated. We need to update the credit side of our cash book as well. For example, all the items are there, but these two items, 100 correction. Yeah, we need to make our cash book credit more down by 100. So this is 100 correction of check ending 67, and standing order is here, but not into the cash book. We recorded and it is updated. This is part 1, people. Yeah, part 1 of your cash book updated. How about the BRS? There's a formula for that. The formula is you start with balance per bank statement. I repeat, you start with balance per bank statement. Where do you get it from? You get it from your bank statement they gave you at the end. Yeah, that's that 986.5. Then the formula is add outstanding lodgement less unpresented check. You get balance per cash book. Look at this. Number 1, start with balance per bank statement, add outstanding lodgement less unpresented check equals to balance per cash book. So you see your balance per cash book, updated cash book is 308. How? Total in after updation is 6,104.22 and total out is 610. These are all the out after doing money in and out. You got a balance of 308.32. That's your balance per cash book. So let me show you the outstanding lodgement. These are from the debit side of your cash book. Can we go to the cash book now? We have ticked here at the top. There we go. We have even recorded OL, UPOL. There you go. These are the 2 year outstanding lodgement, 648,257. Yeah. So 648,257 outstanding lodgement. Type their name and add the figures. Get the total of these two. And minus unpresented check, 1, 2, 3 unpresented check on the credit side of your cash book. Can you go there? We have highlighted, we have written it. There you go. These are the unpresented check. We're recording in the cash book, not in the bank statement. Please do remember and practice accordingly. So when you write all these three, when you do this plus this minus that, you should get your balance per cash book, which should exactly look like your cash book balance over here. And that's how you do the bank reconciliation statement. We have plenty of practice in the later video, so watch this video one more time. And we have videos on our YouTube channel as well. Let me show you very old videos, but very handy. So you see these are the videos, and bank reconciliation, and what do you call it? You can watch it at your own time. So see you in the next video. Yeah.